Hey everyone, my name is Lunje Lukhanyiso Mkive, and this video will be based on friendships. Friends are those who make you feel good about yourself, who will laugh at the most embarrassing moments of your life to make you feel lighter. They're the ones who will be there for you during happiness and at times when you need them the most. When the world turns its back at you, they will be there right by your side. The importance of friendship in our lives is beyond any description. Everybody goes through some difficult phases in life. During those times, you need a shoulder to cry on. Friends can give you exactly that. They will be there to listen to your nonsense talks and still acknowledge whatever you are saying to lighten your heart. They will be there to give you advice on how to pull through the difficult time you are passing. They will show you the kindness that you need when you are in trouble. They are the ones who understand you, and no matter what the situation is, they will give you the positive energy that you need. They make our boring days full of fun. Sometimes they are in doubt about our abilities and decisions, but friends will never doubt you. They will be there to encourage you to move forward in life. No matter how difficult a task may be to achieve, they will push you to overcome all the obstacles and accomplish that task. They will help you to make your dreams and goals come true by cheering you from sidelines. They believe in you. That's the most important driving force you need to go ahead in life. Overall, they add a meaning to your life. And for that, I'm so grateful that I've met these wonderful people during my tough times and my happy times. And for that, I'll be forever grateful. Thank you.